Hey everyone, we are Tech Wizard. This is our final vlog for the Agdal Fire and Emergency Preparedness Checklist project. This is episode 4, the launch and reflection. Quick recap. Week 1 was research and wireframes. Week 2 was raw HTML. And week 3 was styling and responsiveness. This week, we brought it to life with JavaScript and put it live on the internet. Let's walk through it.
This is our live website, not a local file. This is the actual deployed link. Let's go to the checklist page. This is our interactive feature. Every item here is something a household in Agdao should have ready before a fire or emergency. Watch the readiness score update instantly as we check items off. No page reload. Our JavaScript is listening for every change and recalculating the percentage live through the DOM. We can also add our own item. There it is, added straight into the list. And each item has a remove button too. So it's easy to take something off individually, not just clear everything at once. One thing we're proud of is refreshing the page. Notice the checklist stays exactly as we left it. We're saving progress to the browser's local storage, so users don't lose their progress if they close the tab. And if someone wants to start completely fresh, that reset everything back to zero. Now, console cleanliness. This was a specific grading requirement. Here's our console while we navigate and interact. Zero red errors. This was the part we were most nervous about, actually getting this live instead of it just working on our computers. We deployed our GitHub pages, then pointed a custom domain from a domain seller, then updated the DNS records, and after some propagation time, our site was live under our own domain. Here's us opening the link fresh in a new browser. And here it is on an actual phone. Not everything was smooth getting here. Early on, our readiness score displayed 9% instead of an actual number. It happened because clearing the list dropped our task count to 0, and dividing by that 0 broke the math. We fixed it with a simple check. The score only calculates a percentage if there are actually tasks in the list. Otherwise, it just shows 0.
For me, working on research and concepts, this project made something clear. Agdal's density is both its strength and its risk. Shared walls, overloaded wiring, tight rows of homes, a small fire spreads fast there. A checklist feels simple, but that's kind of the point. Preparedness doesn't need to be complicated to actually help.
On implementation, this was my first time really connecting JavaScript logic to something that needed to hold up under real use, not just the ideal case. That non-bug specifically taught me to think about edge cases. What happens when the list is empty, not just when everything goes right.
For testing and debugging, I learned the unglamorous stuff matters most. Checking the console for errors, testing on an actual phone instead of assuming responsive design works, refreshing the page to make sure nothing breaks. Those small checks made the biggest difference. This project reflects Assumption College of Davao's principles of leadership and justice. Leadership because it encouraged Agdao households to take responsibility for their own fire safety instead of waiting for outside intervention after something already goes wrong. And justice because it makes potentially life-saving information freely accessible to every household, regardless of income or access to a professional safety consultant. This is our way of turning our IT skills into something that actually serves the common good and our society.